I wanted to welcome you to Lead Squeezers. Mike Brendhog here. You should have received, to get started, an email and or a text message with your login credentials. When you log on, this is the URL that will be in the email and or text that you received. So take a look at this URL here. This will provide you with the login instructions. And simply go to this website here, log in. Once you log in, this is the screen that you will see here. And it's going to say custom plan. And what we need to do now, before you can actually use the CRM system, is set up your communication credits. All right. You've already paid for the Lead Squeezer package. Now we need to set up your credit card to pay for the texting, the telephone, because built into the system is a virtual phone number. So you'll be able to make outbound calls and receive calls, send and receive text messages, and ringless voicemails and all that good stuff. So we need to set that up. What you want to do is select this package here where it says Lead Squeezers Marketing Package User. Confirm that it is 0 right there and hit Get Started. Now you will be charged $1 at this moment. It's going to confirm your credit card and it's going to put $1 into your communication credits, so you have something to get started with here. But go ahead and hit Get Started. And it's going to prompt you to enter your credit card number. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the credit card number, and then we'll come back and we'll finish up the next steps, okay? So just go ahead and proceed with Let's Get Started. The first step, what you're going to do is you're going to select your virtual phone number. The system includes a virtual number. You can have as many virtual numbers as you wish. It is $1 per virtual number per month, so keep that in mind. But anyways, go ahead and select a virtual number just by typing in your area code, and it's going to search our available phone numbers that are available. And then you can select the number you want. Go ahead and click Add. One of the things that I recommend before selecting the number is to take this number and do a quick Google search. Just copy and paste by doing a Control-C. Come up here to the tab and hit Control-V to paste it. And let's see what comes up here, just to make sure that that phone number is not associated with something that you don't want to be associated with. All right. So it's always a good idea to check. Once you're good with the number, go ahead and click Add Number. The next thing that you want to do is add your what we call your canned spam. This is in order to be compliant with email and sending emails, you need to have a canned spam address. Now, so go ahead and plug that in. I'm just going to plug in our fictitious person here, Jackie Stellar. She's a Stellar sales agent. And so just go ahead and type your address in here, and that way you have it. Newport Beach, California. And there you go. And then and you can change this at any point in time. So if you want to change the address down the road, that's not a problem. You'll have an opportunity to change it. Hit Save. And the next step is to select your time zone. So go ahead and select what time zone you are in and select that. Save time zone. Notice here, once time zone is set up, it cannot be changed. So make sure you note that. Hit Save Time Zone, and your setup is almost complete. So let's go ahead and get started to the next step by proceeding and hitting Get Started here, okay? Okay, at this point you have completed at least the initial steps for getting started. What I recommend here is that you actually schedule a setup call with my team where we will create custom fields and triggers and pipelines and all that good stuff, or move on to the next video. Have an awesome day. Take care.